Hello and welcoming you all back to a video lecture series on strategic management. I am Pavithra, working as assistant professor at Department of Business Administration (PG) at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So we have been looking on to a lecture series on strategic management. In the previous videos, we have been discussing about what strategy actually, where does the word strategy have been derived initially. So what is strategy in case of a business? So what are the vision and mission statement of the organization? How the vision and mission statement to be formed? So everything we have been discussed in our previous videos. In today's video, we will be discussing about a most important topic before looking on to a strategy implementation or a formulation. So before knowing about what is how to implement a strategy, how to plan a strategy, how to execute a strategy, it is most important to know about the vision and mission statement. Secondly, about the leadership, what are the process features of a leader, how a good leader should be, importance of leadership in an organization to implement a strategy, qualities of a leader is more important. So we will be looking on to this, and nextly we will be looking on to strategic plans. So everything will be proceeding after looking on to these topics. So now discussing about leadership. Who is a leader? Who is a leader? So leader is the one who initiates the people, who makes the people around him to attain the goal, who cherish his fellow beings and motivates the people to attain the goal. The leader is the person who will be or who are an inspiration for the fellow being towards the organization. So the leader should be an example for the fellow beings that how a person to be in an organization. So in this case, in an organization, it is most important for a successful leadership. If a leader of a team is more encouraging, more motivating, and if the leader is more efficient, definitely the organization goals would be attained in a more effective and efficient manner. So for an effective leadership, what are the steps? What are the quality of an effective leader? What are the features of leadership? So who is a good leader? Everything will be discussed in this video. First and foremost, the leader and their leadership skills plays an important role in the growth of any organizations. So the leadership refers to the process of influencing the behavior of people in manner that they strive willingness and enthusiastically participate in every business organization to achieve its goals and objectives. In this case, now we will be looking on to the feature of leadership. So feature of the leadership means what are how a leader should be. So the leader first should influence the people around him. He should motivate the people around him to do the work. First, he should be in a more appropriate manner. So if I am a leader of a organization, first and foremost, I should be more perfect. I should uh, set a picture how a person should be. If I say you to execute this work, if I say you people that you should have to complete this work like this way, in that case I should be more efficient in it. First and foremost, I should do it more effectively. So the leader is one who influence the um, people to do the work, influence the behavior of others with his actions. So secondly, interpersonal process. So the leadership is an interpersonal process between the leader and the followers. The relationship between the leader and followers decides how effectively and how efficiently the targets of the organizations is planned and how it is met. Next, I was speaking about the attainment of common goals in an organization. So, the leader should ensure that every people in the group must attain the organizational goal. The purpose of leadership is actually to guide the people in an organization to work to attain those objectives and vision. So, it is most important for a leader to look onto it. So it is a continuous process. So leadership doesn't stop where after informing the people or his fellow being what have to be done. For example, I am a leader of an organization, and we have a big order that to be executed. In this case, my role, the leader's role, my role doesn't get stopped after informing my fellow beings that this work should be completed. So these are the plans, these are the process. So within this day you have to complete this, within this day you have to complete this, after this you have to report it. So if I say like this, the leadership role doesn't stops. Only the ordering the people's doesn't mean the leadership is actually. So it is a continuous process. So he have to inform the objective, he have to plan the process of executing, that is strategy. He have to make a strategy to attain those goals. He have to guide the people, he have to motivate the people like continuously. He have to evaluate the process and move the people in a right direction without deviating in any process. So this is the most important features of a leader. So in the next video, we will be looking on to importance of leadership. Thank you.